go. Got my first order. This is gonna be for McDonald's. $7 and some change, going about 3 miles. Thank you. Please do not, capital, ring doorbell. You got it. Next up, going back to McDonald's for another order. This one's gonna be $7.25, going 3 miles.
John, here's the 8 hash browns.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Got the next order as I was dropping that off. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15, going 8 miles, 2 items. So it looks like we're just getting 2 of these.
Them in the bag.
Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7, going less than 2 miles. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Oh, nice. They hid 25 cents for me. My lucky day. Can't wait to spend that. Next order up, we've got yet another McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7, going 3.5 miles.
Sorry?
7 AB.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
I got this one right away. It is a Starbucks. $8 and some change, going 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. Got this one right away. This is for a different Starbucks. This one's $8.25, going 4 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's gonna be $14.50, going 7 miles, only 2 items.
I love your hat.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Don't forget the photo.
Almost did. And then just scribble on that line for me. All right, good enough for me. Haven't been here in a while, so let's go ahead and take this one. This is a Voodoo Donut, $11, going 6 miles. Thank you.
Perfect. You have a great rest of your day.
You as well. Ring bell. I can do that. What is this? Shop and deliver for Safeway, $10.75, going 4.5 miles, 5 items. Oh my god, why is there no carts? Two. And I do need a cart. Need a cart.
I am.
I'll take it from you when you're done.
No, go ahead.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'll do it right here.
Yep. 2 of these.
Savings $1.
Oh, of course. Of course, it's on the 3rd floor. Love that for me. Okay, I just got this order for IHOP, and there's got to be something wrong with it. Maybe the restaurant's closed, I'm not sure. It is abnormal to say the least. It is $41 going 8 miles. Well, since it's open, my guess is gonna be it's already been picked up by somebody else.
So my boss just came in and told everybody we're not doing pickup orders or no orders.
Yeah, as soon as I walked in, I checked the tablet as I usually do, and they had like 8 orders all red, which means that they're late, I think. I just got this order though. It looks like a stack going to the same person. We got Jack in the Box and Black Rock Coffee. 1125 going 5 miles. Hello, Elizabeth. Thank you. YouTube. This second half of the order, I highly doubt it's going to be ready, but maybe it's far enough to where it could be.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is this? Shop and deliver for alcohol. $9 going 2.5 miles. Only 1 item. Yeah, sure, why not? And then just scribble on that line for me. All right, I'm hungry, so let's just call it a day. Current time is 11:52. Total is 121, which is a pretty average day, I'd say. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.